Let's make a little helping video. This is how you find the toilets on the sanctuary. At the beginning I didn't know where to go. Maybe this video will help you. Look, here are the toilets. And we are going up here to see how you can find them. We'll see, we are on the left side of the church. If you look on the church from outside, on the left side, and it's in the back of the church where the big outdoor altar is. So to show you, here is the church. We are on the left side, and here is the outdoor altar, and there is Our Lady. Also, you have a little impression how it is at 2 o'clock, very hot here in Medjugorje. You see not many people around. Our Lady is standing firm here with us, and we see not many people because it's enormously hot. People are under the trees in the shadow because it's very, very hot. As you can see, they're all in the shadow. Only me, a German, is walking close to Our Lady now in the sun, because I want to show you the beauty of her. Isn't that beautiful? Tonight again we'll have adoration. No, not tonight, today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be adoration. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday is adoration time. In summer from 8 to 9. And you see everybody in the shade. I will go in the shade too. I will go to adoration. I leave you with this beautiful view here. You see, all around in the back there's the risen Christ, where the people walk down the road. That's the road to the risen Christ. Here is again Our Lady. And now I take you from this side to the Adoration Chapel, which is over there. You have the confessionals here on this side of the church. On the other side are the Croatian confessionals, and on this side the international ones. And here I'm going now to the Adoration Chapel. I hope I could help you with this information so that you get around when you're here in Medjugorje. Over there in the back behind this tree is the information center. Maybe you see the info sign. And I'm going to go here now. This is Adoration Chapel, as you can see. God bless you all. Please pray for me. I pray for you. And greetings from Medjugorje. Please subscribe to the channel, share the video, that other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje. Be a messenger of Medjugorje for Our Lady. And I leave you with this beautiful view on St. James Church. Bye bye for now.